Your breath has many parameters like volume, speed, pressure, sharpness, and all of these have a specific effect the breathing mode has on your nervous system, your body, and your mind. And today we will explore different ratios with our breath. A ratio is, for example, the relation between in and exhale, or the relation between in and exhale and breath retentions, which means the holding of the breath. So get yourself ready, find a comfortable posture for you, and then let's begin. Starting in an easy cross-legged position, or optionally in Vajrasana on the knees, big toes touching, knees wide apart, whichever you prefer, but try to maintain a long and straight spine and keep your head in line with your spine. Once you're ready, close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Relax your forehead. And shift attention inwards. Feel your breath. Now first, you find out which nostril is more closed or blocked. Around 90 minutes, the nostril changes, meaning which nostril is open changes. And our nostril and our breathing pattern is related to our left and right hemisphere, or our masculine and feminine brain state. In yoga terminology, we call this Ida, which is like the feminine, lunar, moon, soft quality and passive. And Pingala, it's the right side, which is active, masculine and solar energy. Maybe you just noticed, in yoga, Pingala is the right side, an energy channel, which relates to the masculine, while in our mainstream teaching, so to speak, generally the masculine is considered to be associated with the left side brain. So there's actually like a diagonal relationship here between energy channel and brain hemisphere. Anyways, bow all of your fingers to your forehead and close your left nostril or right nostril respectively, only breathing through one nostril, and figure out which one's more closed. And once you found out, only breathe in and out through that nostril only. Take even breaths and try to breathe deep and soft. Now I want you to inhale longer than you exhale. You can do 6 inhale, 4 exhale, or 8 inhale, 4 exhale. After your next exhale, release. Sit in passive awareness. The increased inhalation increases your oxygen consumption and induces a feeling of energy and attentiveness. Now we switch. Inhale shorter than you exhale. So 4 in, 6 out, or 4 in, 8 out. Begin only breathing through your more closed nostril. With each deep and slow exhalation, let go of tension and relax. Also, if your hand gets tired, just switch your arm. After your next exhale, release. Passive awareness. Feel effects of this extended exhale-breath ratio. Notice the difference to the extended inhale. By lengthening your exhale, you increase vagal tone, you stimulate your vagus nerve and lead your nervous system into a parasympathetic dominant state of deep relaxation, emotional calm, and the ideal soil and fundament for deep concentration and ultimately meditation. Our final technique today will be a combination, Vrtti Pranayama, which means like equal ratios. So we will inhale and exhale for the same duration in Nadi Shodhana, with Nadi Shodhana as alternate nostril breathing. I will guide you, so no worry, you just follow my voice and instructions. And we start without breath retentions, simply in and exhaling for the same duration. And after a couple of rounds, cycles of breath, we will include external and internal breath retention. Internal breath retention means you hold your breath after a full inhale, and an external retention means you hold your breath after a full exhale. And we will do all of these 4 phases of breath for the same duration. And if you're interested and want to go more into depth on the different modalities of breath, make sure you subscribe to my channel and especially check out my latest Instagram carousel post from this week, where we will deal with topics all around breathing. In this sense, let's begin. Bring your right index and middle finger to your forehead. Right thumb closes your right nostril, and left ring finger responsible for left nostril closing. Always breathing through one nostril only, beginning with an inhale left. First take one deep exhale, and inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. In left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. In right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. In left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. In right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. In left. Now we at breath retention. 4. Hold now. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 4. Hold breath. Inhale left. Hold breath. Exhale right. Hold breath. Inhale right. Hold breath. Exhale left. Hold breath. Inhale left. Hold breath. Exhale right. Hold breath. Inhale right. Hold breath. And exhale left. Hold breath. And release. Normal breathing. Sit in passive awareness. Feel effects. Some are Vrtti equal ratio. Nadi Shodhana and the equal ratio helps you maintain or establish balance between your left and right hemisphere, or your feminine and masculine energies. This is also, even more so than before, the ideal fundament for meditation, because in a pure relaxed state you quickly get tired. So you need some level of energy and activation. You need both, ultimately. And this is also dependent on every individual person and your individual tendencies. So always feel free to explore different techniques of breath with different parameters across different levels. Today's class was a beginner-friendly class. From here, for example, you could include the pattern we did in the beginning, longer exhale or longer inhale, into your Nadi Shodhana practice combined with breath retention. So you could inhale for 4, hold for 8, exhale for 16, hold for 8. This is actually Vrtti Pranayama, or in equal ratios, combined with other techniques. So I hope you learned something new, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.